Where can you get a cheap vehicle history report from? There are many companies offering car history data checks. And we'd recommend using one, even if a used car seller says this has already been carried out. It's better to spend a few dollars and be safe rather than sorry. Vehicle history car reports checks can be carried out online, via mobile phone or by apps on tablet or PCs. The Vehicle History Check VIN report sites listed below offer vehicle history reports from the DMV and other government agencies. These cheap vehicle history reports cover a VIN Decoder and VIN Check, uncover salvage and title records, accident and repair history. The Vehicle History Check VIN also uncovers total loss records, theft, recall, defect, damage information and more. The vehicle check reports are delivered instantly and cover over 2 billion vehicle history car records. Each vehicle history report is obtained from official sources. The sites listed below all offer a free preliminary VIN check history search. You can get a vehicle history check cheaper than Carfax. That will save you money on a DMV vehicle history report. Using the links in the video description below.